How's it going, everyone? It's time once again for a weekly watch list. Keep in mind, this is the top stocks I'm personally watching, my favorite setups. But as always, before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First stock on the watch list, Tesla, ticker TSLA. Very simple type of trade I'm looking for here. This will be a day trade for me personally, scalp/day trade. We'll see how it works out. I'm simply watching for a bounce around this 255 area. 255.5 is the exact number. Keep in mind this is an area though, so it could bounce a little before or a little after. I probably will use the 260 call options for this trade. I imagine they'll have the best liquidity. I will take a look when we get closer to this area. It's a nice support in the weekly time frame, and I really like this area for a bounce. And if you don't know how to trade bounces, I'll leave the link to my bounce video in the description. Be sure to check that out. Second stock that made the watch list, OKTA. Now, as you can see, we had this huge gap down due to earnings. I'm not for sure why it gapped down that much. Earnings didn't seem too bad to me. But anyways, I'm going to be watching it. We've already took a trade on this inside Team Bull. A little higher risk trade, but we made money nonetheless. I'm going to be watching it this week to enter back into this gap fill. To the upside, my entry is going to be above that 69.3.4 area. I would imagine the 70 call options will be what we use for this. As far as swing trades go, this is the only setup I like that could possibly turn into a swing trade. But me personally, I'll probably treat this as a day trade, maybe a longer day trade, something I hold a little longer than my usual trades. For those of you that trade with me, you know I prefer to scout. And you can see I don't think we'll reach this 89.76 area this week, but that is where the gap will be filled completely. Another stock I'm watching is Alphabet, ticker GOOGL. Had some people get confused with which ticker I was trading last week. I just wanted to clarify that. We're in this demand zone right now. So I think the way it's looking, looks like we could push on down to the bottom here. And we have a nice support area around this 100, 101 area. I'm going to be looking to pick up some calls there. 102, 103, 104, whatever. I wouldn't go no further away than 105 calls with this trade. This could, again, possibly be a swing trade. We'll just have to watch it. I'm going to treat it as a day trade. I'm going to get in, take that nice bounce. You know, I'll be watching the overall market for this because I do see some weakness looking through the charts. But then again, I do see some stuff that is oversold. So we could possibly see a small bounce this week. I don't expect a lot of continuation with that bounce. We'll see how it goes. This is probably my favorite setup of the week. It's on QQQ, and I'm not 100% sure if we even see this level this week. But it's something I'm going to be watching closely. Let me take you to the weekly time frame, kind of show you what I see. First off, we have support on the weekly. We've had some big moves at this level. Let's go back to the daily, confirm this. See, we've, daily support as well. So this 280 area, the 279.6 to 280 area, I'm going to be looking for a bounce on QQQ. I wouldn't go no further out than the 283 calls will probably be where I stay, somewhere in that range. I don't like to go too far away from the money. I like to stay at the money when I'm trading something. Again, this is one of them setups. It could possibly turn into a swing trade. We'll just have to see how it looks and how I feel about it once we near that level. And it's something I will call out inside Team Bull. If you're not in Team Bull, you can always go to my link. Go to grizzlytrades.com. Join us there. That's where I trade live every morning. If you're not joining my Instagram live, I do every morning pre-market. This is 100% free. We come together on Instagram live, create a watch list, get our game plan for the day so everyone's on the same page and we know exactly what we're doing when the market opens. Right after the Instagram live, I head over to Team Bull, and that's where I call my trades out, the positions I'm taking, just my personal entries. If you've watched my beginner series on my YouTube, you basically know how to trade all my setups. But yeah, that's all I have for you all. Hope this helps you out. If you know how to trade these levels, I hope you make some money off of them. Again, this is just my personal setups. Use them as you will. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I will catch you next time.